Most welcome my friend in my channel. We are coming to study some lecture on molecular basis. In today's topic is the vaccine production by using recombinant technology. In recombinant technology, we generally need three things: the particles of the genes who are going for the recombination, production of that type of any proteins. Second, the plasmid, most important thing, because without plasmid you cannot multiply, we cannot replicate that specific particle of genomes just like DNA or RNA, and rest is the host from where you will go for the making such type of the process. First is the virus particles, just like that today is going so much amount of the coronavirus, a whole world is a pandemic, world pandemics. So coronavirus I'm taking here the RNA particle. Generally there is a viruses who have the DNA and RNA in the separate type of the viruses, different things. So we just first process we need to go and identify the specific portion of the proteins who are responsible for the cause the infection, and so we need to identify and make the crystal of that. So this crystal is generate a proteins which is responsible for production of the antibody inside the immune system, and they fight with that type of the specific proteins when future any type of virus similar type of structures come cause the infections. In the first step we need to isolate the RNA, go for the reverse transcriptase, make the DNA copy, and this DNA copy link with the plasmid to form the recombinant plasmid, and this recombinant plasmid is responsible for introducing the E. coli bacteria, where you can go for the further replication and production of the more number of these type of recombinant plasmids. So in this steps, this is a bacterial genome, this is the plasmid genomes, both go for next step. They form the lot of others number of the plasmid with combined with the jet genomes, and other is the making proteins also, because the virus have the capability to control the genomic structures of the host and produce the air protein particle by using RNA and other mechanism of protein production of these things. And rest is that we need to understand there is a produce such type of the things. So RS can be produced, these virus particles, proteins particles, this isolate and go for the immunological activities inside the host particles, human host, anything which is responsible for the infections. So we need to produce our immune system against such type of protein in future generation. So this is a very simple pathway to produce the immunological activity inside the body by using recombinant technology, virus particles, and combine the plasmid. Hope you understand. If you are taking some notes, so you just comment on the section. We will go for the another sections where we will discuss all these things. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time on the my site. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and keep updating me. Thank you so much. Hopes you are fine. Thank you.